tutorial video, we'll cover analytics on the Learn to Win platform. There are 3 sections to Learn to Win analytics. Quizzes, which show quiz scores and completion, the leaderboard, which ranks learners against each other, and lessons, which show lesson completion and time spent. We'll go through each dashboard in this tutorial video and also highlight several new features: confidence check, rapid grading, and custom feedback. Let's start with quiz analytics. You can filter by package or several other categories by clicking all filters. By clicking details in the user's completed column, instructors can see the full list of learners who have completed or not completed the quiz and choose to send a reminder to the learners who have yet to complete it by clicking notify. Click on a quizzes row to expand or hide it. Multiple choice and true-false questions grade automatically, but the instructor has to manually grade free response questions that show up with a blue outline by clicking correct or incorrect. There's also a rapid grading screen that we'll get to in a minute. By default, you'll see only incorrect and free response answers, but you can choose to only see free response answers that you have to grade or only incorrect answers to identify problem areas for your group. Click on See All Answers for a full view of question analytics. You can also grade from this screen or the main screen. By default, you'll see the first attempt for learners, but if you have enabled a retake and any learners have a limit. Going back to the main screen, we can also see the confidence check feature in these quiz questions. If enabled and completed by learners, this will appear here for user statistics and here on the question level that aggregates data from all of the learners. Click into Grade All User Responses to enter the rapid grading mode. Grade all of the responses for one question and choose whether to add custom feedback. The learners will be notified if they have been given custom feedback 30 minutes after the action was taken in case changes need to be made or several questions are being graded at once. After you've finished grading a question, move on to the next one by clicking the arrows. Next, we'll go into the leaderboard. Next, the leaderboard ranks learners by average quiz score. You can also re-rank learners by clicking any of the columns at the top. For example, if you wanted to sort by name, time spent, or lesson progression. This dashboard shows lesson and quiz progress from assigned materials. Click all filters to filter by user groups, score, or name, and click export to export the data as a spreadsheet. Finally, the last analytics screen is lesson analytics. This dashboard shows lesson completion and time spent on lessons. Click all filters to filter by lesson, package, or date. And click on a lessons row to view user completion data. Click this notify button to notify users who have not yet completed the lesson. That's all for Learn to Win analytics for now. Instructors can use this data to be better informed about learner time spent, confidence, and accuracy, and know where instructors should spend more time teaching. Stay tuned in the next few months for an analytics refresh and more filtering and exporting options.